Hello students, here I already write the program. So here I explain you first, after that I execute this code. First, district is a variable, and here brand, model and year, those are our keys, and fraud, Mustang and 1964, those are our values. First, print in bracket double quotes elements of dictionary are :n double quote completed here, close the bracket also, comma. Here you printing the elements of dictionary by using directly by printing the dictionary. So here print in bracket district. So here print the elements of dictionary. Next, print in bracket double quotes accessing the items of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside square bracket. By using the key name, we can access the value of elements in dictionary. So here our key names are brand, model and year. Those are our key names. If I pass any of key name, it will give us the value. For example, x is equal to district in array bracket double quote model, close the double quote and close your array bracket. Here key name is model. Here model is our key name. It return the value of model. So here the value of model is Mustang. The value of model is Mustang, and it can be stored in X. Then the printing in X. So here print X. So here print the model. Model is our key name, and here value is Mustang. Next, print in bracket double quote change the value of a specific items by referring to its key name. Even we can change the value of any elements of dictionary. So for that we have district in array bracket year is equal to 2080. So here year is our key name. The earlier value is 1964. Now here we changing the value. So here we making the year 2080, and we can printing the dictionary, and it can be print all the elements of dictionary. So here new value is 2080 and earlier value is 1964. So here print district and print /n. Next, print in bracket double quotes loop through key in a dictionary by using a for loop. So here we can print all the keys from the dictionary by using for loop. So here we can use for loop like this: for x in district. So here X is our variable, in district is a dictionary. Inside the for loop we can print X for print only keys, not that the value of keys. Next, print in bracket double quote loop through the keys and values by using print in bracket double quote print all values in the dictionary one by one. So here again we can printed the keys in a dictionary the same way here printed the values. Already here I printed the keys, same way here printed the only values. So here we can use similar formula. So here print for loop X in district. Here X is our variable and district is our dictionary. So here print in bracket district in array bracket X close a bracket. Here passing the key value and X store the key name, and key name pass here means it give us the value of that key. So here first key is so here our first key is a brand and it can give us the value of fraud. Same way here next keyword is a model and it gives us the value of Mustang. Same way here print the dictionary one by one. Next print in bracket double quote loop through the keys and values by using the items function. Close the double quote and close the semicolon here. So here print the keys and values by using item function. In for loop here in for loop X comma Y in district dot item function. Here item function return the keys and values one by one. So here for loop was executed item function and it give us the first key and value. So here our first key is brand and value is fraud. So here the key is stored in X and value is stored in Y. Same way here print the keys and values in the dictionary one by one. Next print in bracket check if keys exist. Even it is possible to check the keys in a dictionary if model in district. So model in district is returned true, otherwise it is false. So check here our dictionary. Here model so here model is our dictionary. So here have model is in our dictionary. So here it will print like that. Yes, model is one of key in a distinct dictionary, otherwise it false. Next, print in bracket double quote determines how many items, keys, value pair a dictionary by using the length method. Print in bracket length in bracket distinct. So here how many items, keys and value pair in a dictionary. So here total 3 items in our dictionary. So here print 3. So here next, print in bracket double quote adding items in a dictionary. Here one more item we can add in our dictionary. So here distinct in array bracket double quote color close the double quote close the array bracket is equal to in double quote red. So here key name is a, so here color is a key name and red is our value. So here print in distinct means here add the one more item in our dictionary. Next, print in bracket double quote copy a dictionary by using copy method. Here mydict is equal to distinct dot copy. So here created a copy. So here created the copy of distinct and it can be new copy has name is mydict. So here print in bracket mydict, here only copy the dictionary. Next, print in bracket double quote removing items from the dictionary by using pop method. Here one item is adding, same way removing the item from the dictionary by using the pop method. Distinct dot pop in bracket model. So here we want to remove the model keyword in our dictionary. So here print in bracket distinct. Print in bracket double quote use del keyword to remove the items with the specified key name. So here del distinct in array bracket here. So here is our key name. Same way here remove the year. So here print distinct and print /year. So next, print in bracket use clear keyword to empty the dictionary. So distinct dot clear, even you want to remove all the items of dictionary by using the function of distinct dot clear. So print distinct, here all the items of our dictionary clear. So here I run this code, go to the run model. So here first one, print elements of a dictionary. So here the elements of a dictionary are brand, model and year. Those are our key names. And here Ford, Mustang and year 1964, those are our values. So here print all the elements of our dictionary. Next, accessing the items of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside the square brackets. Here model is our key name, and here the value of model is Mustang. So here print Mustang. Next, change the value of a specific items by referring to its key name. Here change the value of specific item. So here our earlier value is 1964 and our new value is 2080. So check it here, our output. So here our new value is 2080. Next, look through keys in a dictionary by using for loop. So here only keys are print. Look through the keys in a dictionary by using for loop. So here only keys, not a value. Next, print all the values in a dictionary one by one. So here print only values. So here print all values in a dictionary one by one. So here only values print. Next, look through the keys and values by using item function. So here print both, means keys and values, by using item function. So here our keys, brand, model and year, and here our values are Ford, Mustang and year is 2080. Next, print check if key exists. So here model is our key name. So here I check in our output. Yes, model is one of the keys in a distinct dictionary. Next, determine how many items key values pair a dictionary by using length method. So here total items, 3 items in our dictionary. So here check out output. So here determines how many items, keys and value pair a dictionary by using length method. So here our total items are 3. Next, adding items in a dictionary. So here one more item can add in our dictionary. Here key name is color and value is red. So here color is key name and here value is red. So here one more item add in our dictionary. Next, copy a dictionary by using copy method. Here only the copy of a dictionary by using the copy method. So here all keys are there and all values are there. So here it is only the copy of method. Next, removing items from a dictionary by using pop method. So here removing the elements from the dictionary by using the pop method. So here model is means deleted this item. So here removing items in from the dictionary by using pop method. So here color is there, brand is there, and year is there. So here model is remove means delete the key name and value by using the pop method. Next, use del keyword to remove the items with a specified key name. Here same way here we can removing the model item from the dictionary by using the pop method. Same way here remove the year. So here color is there and brand is there. So here year is not there. So here they remove the items with a specified key name year in our dictionary. Last, use clear keyword to empty the dictionary. So here even you want to remove all the items of our dictionary by using disdict.clear. So here clear our dictionary.